Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, respect to the location where you are watching this video from. Today we are going to learn how our browser can store the username and the password in terms of session, and how hackers can use this session to take your own credentials basically from your browser. Like if you click on any links, if you just run some commands, if you are installing unauthorized applications, like how actually hackers can steal your credentials from very defined path. Now just to test this, I have installed the WAMP server on my local machine. That's nothing but the local IP, that's 127.0.0.1 I'm going to use on my screen today. So I have already hosted one small server in my machine. It's a local hosted server and it is connected to the database just for a testing. So this server, which what actually this does, is going to save your credentials, that means the username and the password, in your browser as a session. And we'll see commonly how hackers, or else how you can see these session details very clearly in some particular path. So I have my own email address and the password. I have already signed up, so I'm just going to click on the email. I'm going to type, that's Manoj at sibgen.com, and let me just type the password as capital PASS at 123. Now you know the password what I just spelled right now, but if I just click login, you can say that yes, I have already logged in. You can see there is a testing website, yeah, of course. So this has been already logged in, and right now I want to know how the session has been saved. Now where these login credentials or the login details will be saved, so that how hackers can able to steal your information. Now it is so simple. Now we have logged in. There is no place that the browser should save your data instead of the session. So let us see how hackers they can able to take your session data and how actually they can encrypt it. Now what I'll do, I'll directly go back to the same place. That's I'll just directly go back to the C, and I'm going to open the WAMP server. That is the location. There is one temporary folder. So if I just watch this temporary folder very clearly, and if I try to refresh this, so you can see there are a few different sessions which is already placed. Now according to the time right now, so what I'll do, I'm going to check the according to the timing. I'm just going to open one session which is present. I'm going to right click and I'm going to click on open with. Let me just click open with the Sublime Tasks. So as soon as I done that, then I'm going to hit OK. Now I can see, you can see that, so all each and every data of my own, you can see that what is my login ID, what is my name, and what is my mail address, and what is the phone number I use. That's everything is 5555. And what is the password I use. So where is the password? You can see this password very clearly where I'm just selecting. So it says that pass at 123. Now this is how commonly a hacker they can go back to this location and they can steal your credentials. They can see if it is encrypted, they can decrypt, and they can watch what your credentials are. So please don't click on any such links which is not authorized, which is not even useless, like not even used basically. So don't do that. Great. To learn more about cybersecurity and to be a professional, so please do visit sibgen.com and enroll today. Thank you.